Now we've been here for a couple of days, and every day in the morning and at night I've watched people jump off of this cliff into the water at high tide. This cliff right here. So I'm wondering, just wondering, if they've dropped anything down there. So with the help of my metal detector, I'm going to go down there and see if I can find any lost valuables. Like iPhones, GoPros, jewellery, that sort of stuff. See what we can find. With a bit of luck, if we do find anything of any value, we might be able to trace the owner. So yeah, wish me luck. I've got my gear on. I'm going to use my little tiny diddy 6-inch coil on my metal detector, and yeah, just go and have some fun. You can come along with me. Got to find a way down there first. I think this looks a bit better this way. Extreme metal detecting this is. Oh dear. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because there's some black clouds up there. But as always, whenever I set out to do anything, it always looks like it's going to rain. So why should today be any different? Oh, this is dodgy. Yeah, I should get across there. Right. It's alright going down. It's when it comes to getting back up again. That's when the problem lies. Yeah, we'll be alright. I think I'll add. It's just a matter of working out a route. A lot steeper than I thought it would be. But we'll be fine. As long as we take our time. Looks a bit slippery. Right. That's where they jump off from up there. God, look at that boulder. Don't know if I want to walk under that. Can't go that way, so I'm going to have to. I think it's going to fall over. If it does, I'm dead. Right, well, this is about where they jump in. Round about here. I'm glad I've got my 6-inch coil. I hope the tide's not coming in, because it was a bit further out than that earlier. Anyway, without further ado, let's get my detector out. Don't know if I need it this long, really. I think we'll keep it short, keep it loose as well. That's it, like that. do a noise cancel. Not that I think there's going to be much interference down here. We'll keep it on beach 2, which is wet. That's it. If you're thinking about buying one of these metal detectors, I highly recommend it. Let's put sensitivity up. There we go. Straight away. There's something in there. Thing is, how deep is it? If it's deep, I'm not going to get it because I'm not going to be able to dig. Oh, there it is. It's there. There it is. Look at that. Some kind of fishing lure, I think. There you go. First one of many, I'm sure. Put that in my fines patch. That's it. One fishing lure. And there's another one. That's another one. About there. There you go. Another one around here somewhere. In the same place. But that is deep, so. Oh, hang on, look at that. I get it now. Oh, here we go. That's very faint. Oh, it's gone. See that? Threw it over here somewhere. There it is. That was it. God. What was it? Oh, first coin. There we go. No idea what it is because it looks like it's been down here for a while. So much stuff down here. I thought there would be. Yeah. Let's go down. Right. This is impossible. It's starting to rain. Yep, starting to spit. Which means I'm out of here. I'm running out of time. Right. Put it back in there. Yeah, I don't fancy climbing these rocks when they're all wet and slippery, so I'm gonna have to end here and come back another day. That's the worst bit over with. That's the bit I was worried about. Oh, maybe I should have been worried about that bit too. Oh, look. Now I looked at coming down this way, but I weren't too sure because it is quite steep. And I think coming up might be better than coming down. If I slip now, I'll definitely end up in A&E. And we don't want to do that. Oof. Well, there you go. I got beaten by the rain. It started raining, the rocks are slippery, so I had to abort the mission. But it just goes to show there's so many targets down there. It's definitely worth going back, and I'll be going back down there as soon as the tide goes out again tomorrow. There you go. I'm completely out of breath. It was a race to get back up. Right. Well, I did find a coin, it looked like a 2p, and also found a fishing lure. So who knows what else could lay beneath. What, you didn't think I was going to leave it down there, did you? Well, thanks to Michael for helping me bring it up the cliff. Cheers, buddy.